The standard kit comes with the main body, which connects to a garden hose. Doesn't matter if it's well water, city water, and it has its own control valve, so you can control the water pressure on the main body, which is there. Comes with the under washer. That's the standard kit. The deluxe kit comes with the end washer. It's made out of PVC plastic. It comes in 2 pieces, so you can store it easily. It puts together very simply by screwing it together, and it has enough power to get off dirt. Slide easily. Turn it. You could also use it as a soaker. You could stand on the outside of your truck and wash the bed and don't have to risk the chance of slipping.